Hello, hi.
Oh, is it holy today?
That's
Oh
why.
no, I forgot. Oh,
That's why.
I'm so jealous.
That's why.
Never made it. I never made it to India for Holy Festival. I forgot it was today.
Yeah, today is a
Oh,
holiday. Everyone is enjoy, fully enjoy.
oh
Yeah.
no.
So,
Oh, that's
I
amazing. Are you having fun?
what?
Are you having fun?
I'm not getting your point.
Okay, are you? You might have to translate. Are you having fun?
Are you having fun? Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, I fully enjoyed, and I saw my phone. Now my time is now just came, so I'm just entered my room. I'm talking with you right now.
Yes. Will you
Definitely.
stay out all day?
Yeah,
Yeah.
possibility. Okay, but now whenever you are came in India holiday, holy became just run away because
Oh,
today is a holiday. Everyone enjoy. I can saw your face. I can saw your face. Everyone face. I think just to turn face. I think.
okay.
Uh-huh. Then how can turn the face of my camera? I think no. I don't know because you are very addictive and you are fully enjoy the Holi festival. So I decided this conversation only for Kiska. I think Kiska. I think your correct name.
Yeah. Oh, thank you for ringing me.
Yeah. So I think your name is Saskia. I think I have a correct pronounce Saskia.
Yeah. Saskia.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Saskia. What is the meaning of your name, Saskia?
The meaning.
Yeah.
It does not have a meaning. It's just
But
it's from the Netherlands. It's Dutch, a Dutch name.
okay.
What about you?
My name is
Vijay?
Vijay. Victory.
What do you mean?
Victory. To win something, to won something. Vijay means to achieving something, to win something.
Oh. Oh, okay. To achieve something or want something.
Yeah, definitely. The naming, the means of my name is achieving something, definitely.
Oh, that's a nice name.
So Vijay, victory. You can see that you can use the symbol victory whenever you are achieving something. The victory sign, victory symbol. Yeah, definitely. So
In
this is
England,
yeah
this means peace.
peace, but India victory.
Victory.
Victory, VICTOR, victory. So V is the first word of that word, victory. VICTOR, victory.
Oh, right, okay.
So that is the
Interesting.
mean. But Netherlands, you can said me a peace, but India victory
Ah, okay. Did you
because
have
we
to take?
because we just exit from victory. VICTOR. So V1 is the first word of that word, victory. So I think
Ah, okay.
yeah.
Did you have to take time off work to do Holy Festival?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Everyone is waiting for that festival because yeah, that day everyone and whenever any person are facing any problem, and that day they became a fully enjoy mentally, physically, they are engaged with someone life because everyone are came and put your gulal on your forehead and they are meet each other and sharing the problem. What happening? Just enjoy your life.
Oh,
So,
it looks really good. It looks like you are very happy.
so
Oh.
definitely, I'm
So
fully covered the gulal. I think I'm the fully cover of gulal. I think outside it and a fully cover of gulal. I'm not looking in a very charming. I'm looking very bad way. I think right now.
does it stain your clothes?
What?
Does it stain?
Don't stain your clothes. Stain means does it stain?
Um, will it stay on your clothes when you wash it, or will it go away?
when, because at that sometimes wear a white clothes because the color became highlighted on a white clothes. So most of the person wear the white clothes on that of festival.
Um,
Everyone wear a white clothes. That's why I wear a white T-shirt right now because the
yeah.
gulal became highlighted on my body. So
Oh, that's amazing.
no one is a wear the different color, but some peoples in India wear a white cloth, white T-shirt, white shirt, white pant, whatever. The color of the cloth became a white, so that's why wearing a white color T-shirt right now.
Have you took any photos?
Yeah,
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 you have.
definitely. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. I have. Yeah, I have a photo in my gallery right now.
Okay. Have your friends
Yeah, different
came?
because in a morning before the talking with you, I fully enjoy. I take a selfie with my friend, my family, my parents, and fully enjoy. And they have a different type of dish cook in a kitchen and fully enjoy that I eat. So right now I'm free totally and decided talking with you. I just came in on my room, so I saw your environment of that festival. I think.
Yeah. Oh, I'm really happy that you rang today. Yeah.
Yeah,
This is the only experience I will get of Holy Festival.
yeah, definitely. So I
So
think
do your parents participate?
yeah, everyone, even parents, even everyone is a participate. Everyone. The lame
Oh.
became a walk because the energetic day today.
So is it a national holiday, so you get it off work?
Yeah, national holiday.
Ah.
Everyone is enjoy. Every single person are enjoying that festival, this festival. Every single person.
I'm so
Every single
jealous. Oh.
every single person are enjoy, definitely.
Which area are you in?
Every places like Uttar Pradesh,
But what
western
which
part,
city are
western part,
you?
western part.
Western part.
Taj Mahal, I think you can understand Taj Mahal.
Oh, Agra.
Agra, definitely, absolutely, Agra,
Yeah.
Agra.
Ah, okay. Oh. So
Everyone is.
what time is it there?
Time is right now 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock, so you are out quite early.
Yeah, early.
What time
10.
did you wake up?
Today I woke up early in the morning at 6 o'clock
6 o'clock.
because today is the festival. Because today is the festival because they are fully enjoy. Marketplace is also fully enjoy. Definitely.
Oh, that's amazing. Are you in your home right now?
Yeah. What?
Are you in your house?
Right now I am just go to my meetings of my friends. So this is my not home. So I just went to my friend house. So I want to meet
Ah, okay.
because
Great.
this is my talking time with you. So I've decided my friend just give me a 15 minute. I want to talk to you.
Oh,
Sashkia.
that's
Who is Sashkia? Sashkia are my foreigner girls. I'm talking.
oh, no,
The
thank
other,
you so much for calling me.
he,
I'm
he
really
became we became so. Who is Sashkia? Just cool. Nothing else.
so
Okay?
funny.
Definitely.
So when will you go for lunch today?
What?
When will you go for lunch? What time? What
Today is a not
time?
a fixed time. Not a fixed time today. Lunching time today is a not a fixed time. This
Ah,
is a fully festival, not a specific time today.
right,
I think
okay.
I think you listen the voice of the song.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.